try to make every lesson that you taught. Here's a part I can't erase. I'm stronger than I was before, but it came with losing you. You opened up a different door, then walked out of the view. If I had to choose again,